Hello, this is Ali talking about MSINFO32 tool, which can be used in most of the cases when you have problems on your machine and you are asked to provide to SafeNet support MSINFO32 log file, which represents what your machine environment is, what is installed, etc. So what you have to do is just write MSINFO32. Here is the file MSINFO32.exe, and by doing so you are able to see details about operating system, hardware, software installed, everything that relates on to the environment on your machine. And by clicking File, Save, let's choose desktop for instance, you can save a file name in a format of NFO. This is the default and it's okay. Let's say machine. So that's it. It might take some time, but this will make sure that you have in your log everything that relates to what exists on your machine environment, and you can provide it to SafeNet technical support so they can learn more about your environment. Thank you for watching.